Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to create the wish list on Shopify. So let's get started. So if you want to do that, just head over and click on this add up section right here. Then you should be able to see this. Now from in here, just scroll down until it gets to the Shopify App Store, and then this will open the App Store for your Shopify. Now on this open actual Shopify App Store, just search in here for wish list or wish list rocket if you want. So from in here, you should be able to see in here some suggestions. So for me, I'll just choose to use this wishlist engine as they have an actual free plan available. You can also just use this base in stock or stock rocket, but for me, I'll just choose this one. So in here, just head over and click on the install button. And then from in there, this will load like this, and it will ask you for access in order to successfully integrate this application to your Shopify. So let's just head over and then click on the install button. And then as you can see, this will load like this. So from in there, just wait for this to finish the loading process. So you can see right here the dashboard of wishlist engine. So you can see in here the wishlist page view, total wishlist, all customers in wishlist. So what you can do is you can click on this actions right here. Click on this wishlisted items. And then from in here, you can just head over and then enter in here the products that you want wishlisted. So you can also see in here the user wishlist or the wishlist mail history. Another thing that you can do is you can click on this actions again and then click on the settings. So from in here, you can see your app status. Make sure that this application has been enabled. And you can also choose the direction, variant, change detection, as well as guest wishlist right here. Make sure that this is enabled because this will allow website visitor to add products to their wishlist without login. And once they log in, all their products will be migrated to their account. So this is actually a pretty useful tool if they're just browsing first and then they decided to actually buy from you. So you can change in here every settings, like for example, button, notification, language, trending, wishlist widgets that they have. So you can choose which one is actually for you. You can also head over to the actions right here, click on the installation. Then under here, you can choose a theme wherein you want to upload it into. So as of right now, I'm using a Dawn theme because it's the only theme that I have. After that, just head over and click on add right here in order to install this specific application right here on your theme. Now, if you click on this dashboard, you should be able to see the dashboard that we have seen earlier. And you can see in here all the reports that you have while actually using this application. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.